excited to open it, and I don't really want to wait. Oh my god, it's literally not coming out. Oh my god, iPad kids, everybody say hi. You wanna help?
No, listen. You know how I feel about you.
Guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So I have something that's a little bit exciting. I'm literally turning into a review channel. Oh my god, here comes Coco. You excited too, Coconut? You excited too, Coconut? I just came back from the Apple store and I got myself an iPad. So I did get myself an iPad. My dad and my mom did help me buy it just because I wasn't as excited to spend so much money as I did with my laptop, as you can see in the background. So I did get the iPad Air, the 2020 iPad Air in Space Gray. This is the 64 gigabytes one, 4th generation, just Wi-Fi. Just because I don't need it to be so decked out, just because I know I'm not gonna be like using it as much as I am with my laptop. I can do everything on my laptop, so it's just gonna be used for school note taking. I am buying the Apple Pencil as well, but I'm ordering it in a few days and it's gonna be here, and then we'll unbox it as well. I'm so excited to use this. I have to take thumbnails because I didn't take thumbnails with my laptop. I think I got it. Anyway, let's unbox it. Like I said, all the accessories is going to be done after when they do come in the mail. I'm just too excited to open it, and I don't really want to wait. It was $816 plus tax, blah blah blah. All right, let's unbox it. God, it's literally not coming out. Jesus Christ! Oh my god! I'm just gonna do the setup for this real quick. I feel like you guys have seen like so many videos like I have of watching people set this up. So we're just gonna fast forward through this part. I'm connecting my iPhone to my AirPods. Okay, we're doing Touch ID now. Bro, that's what I'm to do. I'm in shock. Oh my god, I'm turning to an iPad kid. Oh my god, iPad kids, everybody say hi. Everybody smile. Give it. Give. Coco.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.